Standard 12 Chemistry, Unit 12, Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic Acid, Part 1. In this unit, we will discuss about the preparation of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid and then their chemical reactions. First of all, let's see the basic difference between the aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Carbon is bonded with oxygen with double bond and it is called carbonyl group. Carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with hydrogen atom and the carbon of the alkyl group or aryl group, and it is called aldehyde. And the carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with two carbon atom of the alkyl group or aryl group, and it is called ketone. In aldehyde, hydrogen atom is compulsory. Here in this case, ketone, both alkyl or aryl group is attached with the carbon. Now let's see the example of the aldehyde. Carbonyl group is bonded with hydrogen atom or alkyl group, that is methyl, and it is called CH3CHO, ethanol, or its common name is acetaldehyde. Carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with aryl group and another hydrogen. Its simple structure CH benzene aldehyde group. Okay, so it is benzaldehyde. One exceptional case, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with two hydrogen atom and its simple structure HCHO, and it is called methanol, or its common name is formaldehyde. Okay, now for ketone, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with same alkyl group it is acetone, or carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with alkyl group and the phenyl group or aryl group, it is named as acetophenone. And number 3, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with two aryl group. It is named as benzophenone. And the third class here, that is carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with carbon of the alkyl group or aryl group, and the another, that is hydroxyl group, this hydroxyl group, and it is called carboxylic acid. For example, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with hydroxyl group, and here for alkyl, it is methyl group, CH3COOH, its simple structure, that is CH3COOH, and its common name, that is acetic acid, or its IUPAC name will be ethanoic acid. And here the carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with hydroxyl group, and here aryl group or this benzene ring, its simple structure is COOH, it is named as benzoic acid. This is the first example, second example. Now third example, carbonyl group of the carbon, this exceptional case, here hydroxyl group and another hydrogen atom is bonded with the carbonyl group of the carbon, and it's HCOOH. It is methanoic acid, or its common name is formic acid. Now there are four derivatives of the carboxylic acid. Derivatives of carboxylic acid. Here the hydroxyl group and this alkyl or aryl group. Two derivatives are formed by replacement of hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group. For example, this alkyl or aryl group, and here this oxygen and this hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, and it is called ester. And second derivative is formed here. This oxygen and hydrogen atom is replaced by COR group, and it is called anhydride. Is called anhydride. So is the replacement of hydrogen is alkyl group COR. Now the example of ester is oxygen and R dash is ester. For example, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with methyl group, and here oxygen and this oxygen bonded with another methyl group. Its name will be this ester. That's why this carbon there are two carbons, ethanoate, oit suffix ethanoate, and it is methyl group. Its name will be methyl ethanoate. Now the another example of the ester, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with aryl group, and here oxygen and methyl. It is named as methyl benzoate. This is benzoate, methyl benzoate. Okay. Now the example of the anhydride, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with alkyl or aryl group and another oxygen. The hydrogen atom is replaced by COR dash for ester, and it is anhydride of the acid or acid anhydride. It's for methyl group, and here oxygen and another methyl group. Sorry, here C double bond O, and then after methyl group is attached. Okay, C oxygen bonded with carbon oxygen double bond and the methyl group. or it is written as CH3 C double bond O, and here the oxygen C double bond O CH3, or CH3CO twice O. This is called acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Now the another two derivatives of the carboxylic acid. The carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with alkyl or aryl group, and the hydroxyl group. Now the two derivatives is formed by replacement of hydroxyl group. Whole hydroxyl group is replaced. Replacement of OH group. For example, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with alkyl or aryl group, and this hydroxyl group is replaced by nitrogen or is amine NH2, and it is called amide. It is called amide. While in case of the other derivative is alkyl or aryl group, and this hydroxyl group is replaced by halogen atom or chlorine atom, and it is called acid chloride. Okay, in this case the hydroxyl group of the carboxylic acid is replaced by NH2 and halogen group of the chlorine. For example, is amide, number 1. In case of this methyl group, and here amine CH3 CONH2, it is named as acetamide. And the another example, carbonyl group is bonded with aryl group. In this carbon is bonded with amine, and its simple structure CO benzene ring and CONH2 benzamide. It is called benzamide. Now the another example of the acid chloride. Here this acid chloride, for example, number 1, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with methyl group and Cl CH3 COCl, and its name will be acetyl chloride. The another example, carbonyl group of the carbon is bonded with aryl group, and it is chlorine. Its common structure or simple structure is, and it is named as benzoyl chloride. Okay, so there are four derivatives of the carboxylic acid. Number 1, ester. Number 2, acid anhydride or anhydride derivative. It is derived from the replacement of hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group of the carboxylic acid, and the third derivative is formed by replacement of hydroxyl group of the carboxylic acid, and it is named as amide, and fourth derivative is acid chloride. So friends, so next time we will discuss another topic. Thank you very much.